Let's say you're in a situation for whatever reason, you're trying to qualify for something, or you just simply want as good a credit score as you possibly could have. A lot of times people will turn to a credit repair company. And of course, we advertise ourselves as ERA Credit Services. We talk a lot about credit repair. Other credit repair companies out there will do the same. They'll talk about credit repair, credit repair. But, and I was talking about this on a Facebook Live last night with our team of independent agents around the country. And as I was talking about it, I'm going, we need to make people more aware of this fact, of this information. So that's why I'm coming on today. What credit repair? So what is it? First of all, credit repair. So when you are working with a typical, not us, but a typical credit repair company, what they are going to do is they are going to look at your credit reports. They are going to dispute or challenge the negative items you have on your credit report, whether they're erroneous, whether they're old or obsolete, or whether they maybe really did happen. There are ways of getting those off your credit report as well. So that's what they're going to do. But that's the sum and substance of what they're going to do is they're going to try to remove those negative items. Well, your payment history or payment history rather, your payment history only makes up 35% of your total credit score. It only accounts for 35%. So even if they do remove negative items, they haven't given you the best shot at getting the highest credit score because they're only working on 1/3 of the items that make up what your credit score is calculated on by the credit bureaus. So know that. And if that's all you want to do, that's fine. But why not work on the other 2/3 of what makes up your credit score? Like the amounts owed, right? The amounts owed. That's also called debt utilization. So if you owe certain amounts compared to the limit that you have. So in other words, let's say you have a $5,000 credit card and you owe $4,000 on that credit card. You're making your payments every month, which is fine. You definitely don't want to miss payments, but you're still at 80% of your limit. That's not good. That's a very high debt utilization, and that's going to knock your credit score down. What we do is we help you work on debt utilization. We provide you with tools and recommendations, and we talk to you about getting those balances down using the same amount of money you're currently using on your debt. We'll show you a strategy of getting those items down. So you're getting close to that magic number of 30% of your limit. So on a $5,000 credit card, that would be what? $1,500. If you're $1,500 or lower, or 30% of your limit or lower, that's good right there. That'll help you get the most amount of your credit score. So that's another 30% of your credit score. How about new credit? You know, we help you establish, if you need to, and some of you don't, but some of you may need to establish new credit. We've got various ways where we're going to help you out because that's another 10% of your credit score. How about length of credit history? So that's 15% of your credit score. And you might say, well, Dale, if I don't have a good length of my credit history, in other words, my credit history is just maybe a year old, 2 years old, or whatever, how can you help me? We have ways to do that, where we can take certain accounts that you have and track it back up to a couple of years, put it on your one of your credit reports, and give you a longer credit history or length of credit history, so we can help you there. You know, so there's a lot of other ways. And then there's credit mix. That's the other 10%, credit mix. Well, by us helping you get new credit, by us helping you establish a longer length of time of credit history, that can impact your new credit, your credit mix. So the mix of the different items that you have. So the bottom line is that what we do is we work on 100% of your credit score. We've got a very effective credit repair service. We dispute all items right away. So we want to get you the fastest credit score we possibly can. We give you online reporting so you can see everything that we're doing, and so much more. So we've got a great credit repair service. We're backed by an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We're backed by a national certification by the National Association of Credit Services Organizations, all of that. But we're not going to just do credit repair. That's just a third. We want to do 100% for you. So if you're contemplating, what should I do to try to increase my credit score? You could go it alone. You can definitely go it alone. Maybe save some money. And of course, that's what people do when they mow their own lawns or change their own oil or any of that stuff. I get it. But if you're going, listen, I don't have time for all of that, nor time for learning it, doing it, making sure you're doing it right, all that stuff, then give us a call. Go to our website, eracreditservices.com. Any of the pages on the website, you can book a phone appointment to talk to us. Certainly our credit repair page, you can book a phone to talk to us, book a phone appointment rather to talk to us. And we'll just explain it all to you. We'll find out what's going on with your situation, see what we can do before you ever make a commitment. We'll talk to you about our pricing. It's very affordable. We're not here to sell you. We're here to help you, right? We're here to help you. We've helped thousands and thousands of people over the last 6.5 years. We'd love the opportunity to talk to you. So hopefully this made sense. If it doesn't, reach out and give us a call. Go to our website again, eracreditservices.com. Find our phone number, our email address, book that phone appointment, whatever. We'll explain it all to you.